Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Buzz. I'm Omar, and here we break down all things crypto, simple, quick, and straight to the point. And remember, this is not a financial advice.
Hello guys, it's your boy here and welcome back to another video. It's CryptoBus channel and today we have a special guest and very important one. It's MarketInOut. Of course, if you are a trader or if you want to start trading crypto assets, anything, you will certainly need this website. It will help you improve your strategies. It will help you improve your trading journey. Okay, so let's get started. MarketInOut Stock Screener helps you find the best trading opportunities across multiple markets using a wide variety of technical and fundamental selection criteria. Of course, if you are a professional trader, or if you already traded uh, so many times, you will understand what I'm talking about and you will know the importance of this website. And just by reading this line, you will know what I'm talking about. But if you are a beginner, of course, you will not understand. And I'm here to make it simple for you, okay? So let's say you want to start trading and you have a capital, you set up everything, and you are good to start. Of course, to start, you need a strategy, and you did your best. You find a good strategy that you will work with, but you need to test it if it's gonna work or not. To test it, you will need to spend some money on it and some time. Let's say you will need 6 months or a year or 2 years, depends on your strategy, just to test if it's work or not. In that time, you will lose a lot of money, or you will lose your initial capital, all of it, or part of it, or a big part of it. So it's gonna be a hard stop for you before even you begin your journey in crypto or in trading in general. Okay, so what I'm doing in this video, I'll just explain how you can test your strategies without losing money and without losing that much time. You just need 5 minutes to get all the data you need from the percentage of winning, the validity of the strategy, if it's good or not, how much profit you will make from the strategy, and you will choose your initial capital, how much you need. Even if you don't have the capital, you can just use it. It's just a demo, so you can choose any capital you need. You can choose any parameters you need for your strategy, and you will get the results in less than 1 minute or 5 minutes at max. Okay, so it's a really good start for you if you are a beginner, and a good improvement for you if you are a professional. That will improve your strategies, will improve your growth and your winning percentage. Okay, so just stay with me and I will get you through all of this, and you will find out that you are missing a good part of winning in the trading journey. Okay, so just stay with me guys, and I will see you. Okay, so first of all, before I start explaining the tools that we have in here and how you can use it, I just want to mention that we have a lot of stocks in here and a lot of assets that you can trade. Even crypto we have it in here, so I'm gonna go through all of this. So just stay with me and I will show you how you can work with it. Okay. First of all, we'll start with Stock Screener. In Stock Screener, you can just find the tokens that meets the criteria that you selected. Let's take an example. For example, I will go for exchanges. In here we have stock. That's why it's Stock Screener. That's obviously we have stocks in here. I will go for NYC and Nasdaq. Okay, I will add this criteria in here. There we have it. You can just click this button, and you will have your criteria in here. For the capitalization, I will go for large capitals. Add, and then we have it here. You can of course select the sectors that you want, the industries you want. If you have some tokens in your watch list, I will talk about that later, or in your portfolio, you can just select it from here. If you have more advanced options, you can just go and select them from here. I'm not gonna go into this a lot. I'm not gonna go in depth in this video, but if you would like to if you would like more explanation about this, just let me know in the comments. I will do another video explaining in depth how you can work with this platform. Okay, I will just show you the basics of this platform, then you can go through all of this by yourself. Okay, it's easy, guys. Cause if I'm going to go in depth, the video will be 2 hours or 3 hours, so we're not gonna do that. Of course, after I choose the exchange and the capitalization, I will go for the moving average. I will select AMA 20, let's say 20, and cross above SMA 50. Let's do that. It's just an example, guys. It's not a strategy. It's just an example. Of course, you will try your own criterias in here as you like. You can choose as much as criterias as you like. Okay, so just go and select volatility. You can select the volume, the price action, the relative strength, the price and the volume. You can go and check all of this criterias like here. And if you don't understand anything, you can just go and Google it or go to YouTube and type it. Then you will be good to work with it. Okay, of course, if you are a beginner, if you are a professional, it's gonna be familiar for you. Okay, then after I selected the criteria that I want to work with, I will just go and give it a name. Let's say stocks, like that. Then we have it. Then I will just click run screen. They will just take you to this screen by the name of that you selected. It's stocks, as you see here, and they will give you all the tokens that match the criteria that you just entered. You saw me, I entered some criterias, and this the tokens that matches this criteria. Of course, if you click on it, you will see a chart that that includes the criterias that you just selected. As you see, I have the moving averages in here. I have everything I have selected in the stock screener. Okay, and of course, if you need more details, you can just click on the token you want, as I told you, or you can just go here and select charts. They will show you the chart of all the tokens that you got. And after that, you can go for the fundamentals. You can check more. You can get more details in here, like volume, like average volume. Of course, you can go for the technicals. You can get even more details, and you can switch between these choices like here. Okay. And if you have any sectors that you want to focus on, if you have so much tokens or so much stocks or so much assets, and you want to choose the sector that you are interested in, you can just go and find it here. Okay, that's it, guys, for the stock screener. I think it's easy, and it's very important to have as a trader. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. Instead of just looking around just by yourself, you can use this screener, and it will help you a lot to get more and specific results. Okay, so for the formula screener, it's like the stock screener, just in a different way or a different method of entering the informations. It's like the same categories, the same informations that you need to select them manually, just like that. For example, we went in the first time with universe, and we selected exchange NYC. Just come here and click insert to formula. After that, we went with the capitalization. We choose large cap. You just click insert. For the moving averages, we go with AMA 7 cross above SMA 15. We just click insert, and we go and name it as we did for the last one. We just name it stocks form, and we'll go and click run screener. You will get the results, but it's in here. We choose AMA 7 cross above SMA 15. That's why we got no results. But if it's the same, guys, if you just enter the same information, you will get the same results. Okay, so that's it for the stock screener. I think it's easy, guys, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them and put them on the comment section. Okay, And of course here you will get the stock screens that you executed. Let's just move on to the next tool in here. It's the strategy backtest. Okay, let's just talk about it. It's really important to know how to work with it. Okay, so just click in here, and here we have the strategy builder. It seems complicated, but it's not. It's so easy. Just focus on me. I will show you how you can work with it. Okay, here we have it, guys. For the strategy builder, that's the most important thing in this website. Okay, there's a lot of important tools, but this, in my opinion, the most important thing. Okay, just focus. First of all, we'll go and give it a name. Let's say stock build. Just make it simple. You will choose in here, you can choose the type of positions that you want to go with, long or short. Okay, I will say long. For this criteria for opening position, you can just choose from the builder that we just explained in the stock screener. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, or you can choose for the formula. We already explained it too. Here you can type the criteria that you wanna work with, or you can extract your existed screens. Okay, I will go with stocks. I already told you how we did it. Okay, for the next section, this is an optional criteria, so you can go with it or you can just ignore it. Okay, but what it means, it's during the execution of the trading simulator, there can be a situation when amount of stocks past the criteria is more than a number of vacant positions in the stock portfolio. In this case, stocks will be added in accordance with the prioritization parameter. For example, the parameter is set to the lowest average volume value, and there is 3 vacant positions in the portfolio. Then only 3 stocks with the lowest average volume will be added by the trading simulator. Okay, as I told you, you can just go with it or you can ignore it. It's not necessary because it doesn't have this asterisk like here. Okay, if you see the asterisks, then it's important. You need to fill it. If it's not, you can just ignore it, as I will do right now. Okay, for the order execution model, you can choose between the close price or the next day open or the next day F. The difference between these two is when you choose the close price, you will enter a trade or you will open a position at the closing price of your token. Or if you select this the next day open, you will enter the position at the next day after you started this strategy. Okay, every position will open in the next day. Okay, at the start of the candle of the next day. Okay, I hope you got this. If it's not, there is a lot of videos in here can help you understand more in depth about this process. Okay, for the position closing, you can again select from a builder. You can just build it by yourself, or you can choose from an existed closing criteria. Of course, we don't have one, so I will just show you how you can work with it. It's not necessary to re-choose again the exchanges or the capitalization or everything we did in the opening. You can just go with the moving average or the criteria that you want to close your trade with it. I would go for the MA7 crossed below the SMA 15, and I will add this criteria. I will go done. Okay, and remember guys, this is not a strategy, this is not a good strategy. I'm just showing you how you can work with this with these options like here. Okay, and of course if you have any question, you can just let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, so you can choose any strategy you want based on your own criteria. So just we're just testing in here, and I'm just showing you how you can work with it. For the order execution model, like we just explained before, I will go for cross prices. For the position maintenance, you can go with units or you can choose the ATR. I will go with the percentage. For the stop loss I will make 10%, or let's make 20%. For the trailing stop loss I will go for the take profit, I will go for 30%. Okay, is that okay guys? You can choose the other options as much as you like. For the closing position and for the closing after, you can just go and select any option you want from here. Of course, we don't have the asterisks in here, so it's not necessary to fill all these options in here. Okay. For the backtest parameters, for the initial capital, you can choose whatever you want. I will go with $100,000. So it's a demo, so you can go with whatever you want. For the capital at risk, I will go with 5%. Max portfolio, I will just leave it default. For the commission per trade, you can choose whatever you want. For the average bid ask spread, you can choose whatever you want. I will go for default. For the time, for the backtest period, you can just for example, I will go it's 1 month in here. It's 1 year. It's not 1 month, I'm sorry, it's 1 year. I will go for the 2023 like that. Then if you finished and you selected all the options and you filled all the options that you have in here, you can just go and click on backtest. Wait for a minute. If you give them a lot of details, it will take up to 5 minutes. If it's just basic details, they will give you the data that you want in 2 or 3 seconds, as they did in here. As you see here guys, we entered with 100k, and we have in 1 year we'll have 1200k as a profit. The profit trades, the total of winning trades, it's 52%. And yeah, how much position we opened, it's like I just saw it, it's like, yeah, it's like 19 trades that we have opened in this year. So that's it guys. Yeah, that's all the data that you will need to know on your strategy. And of course, if you want to try another one, you can just come here and enter the information that you want to try and click on backtest, and there you go, you will get another one. That's how it works guys. I hope you you understood what it looks like and how we can work with this and how effective it is, and the data that we got from this tool right here, as you see. Okay, so that's it guys for the strategy backtest. I will move on and I will show you how you can work with other tools in here. I'm sorry guys for the video, it's gonna be a long one for the first time in our channel, but it's really, we have a lot of information here to show you, and because it's really important to know all this information about this platform, especially if you are a trader, so it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, that's why I'm going in depth, and I'm trying to explain as much as I can how you can work with these tools. Okay, for the next tool we have StockCoin. You can just click on it and we'll wait, and there we have it. I just have some internet issues, that's why. Of course, in this section you can just choose any token you want. I will go with BTC, as you see here. I will just select BTC. Even we have crypto in this section, it's not just about stocks. I will go for BTC Bitcoin, and I will click get. I will get all the informations that you want to know about this token, even its performance in the last weeks or months. Okay, let's say another token. Let's go for ANS, like that. If you just click get, or if you just type the name of the token, you will get all the informations you want to know about this token. As you see guys, the industry, the profile of this token, the relative strength, the price performance, the technical, everything you want to know about this token, you will get it in this section. It's really helpful. Instead of just looking around for the token in Google, you can just go and look for it in here, and you will get all this information on one page. Okay, Okay, just move on to the next section. In here we have let's choose ANS again, so we can get this chart. Okay, if you just select the token that you want to work with, you can go and select it, type its name in here. If it's stocks, if it's crypto, you can go and select it in here. If it's Forex or crypto, you can go and select it in here. Let's say for example BTC, and you will have a chart. And yeah, that's it. I think that's it. You can even use you can even look for golds, for indexes. You can find any kind of assets in this part, so you can get the chart of it and you can work with it. Of course, if you want to do more technical analysis and more advanced technical analysis, you can just come to this section right here, and I will go with BTC. Of course, you know I like crypto, as we saw, and you can use these technical events: SMA, ADX, Iron, MFI. All of these technical and advanced events, you can use them in this chart like here. Let's say for example I will just click on this event like here, price below MA7. You will see that we have a line in here. It's the moving average below moving average 7. Okay, so we have also more details in here. You can go with RSI analysis. You can choose MACD in here, and you can choose between different periods of time, for 5 minutes or 50 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. Of course, it depends on the size of your screen. If you have a huge screen, you can just select the huge mode, so you can have a big view of the chart, or you can go with big or medium. It depends, as I said, on your screen, so it's really helpful. Of course, you can zoom in on the chart or zoom out. You can go and see the past data of the token, as you see here, guys. Even you can choose between candles or bars or lines or Renko or Heiken. You can just choose whatever you want, guys. Okay, you have a lot of indicators in here: Heiken Achi, P&F chart, the Inco chart. You can even create your own chart template. You can just name it and select the options that you wanna work with, and then you have it. Okay, if you created it, you will find it in here. That's it, guys, for the stock chart. We'll move to the watch list. I already mentioned at the beginning of the video that you can create your watch list by adding stocks. In here, you can just click add stock. You can type the stock that you want to add. Let's say ANS, for example, and you click OK. Then we have the ANS stock added to the watch list. Then you can use it on Stock Screener or Strategy Backtest or wherever you want on these tools that you have in this website. Okay, that's helpful. For the portfolio tracker, you can just add your trades or your strategies. Then you will see your portfolio right here, how it performs. Okay, for the trade alert, you can, if you have, for example, if I'm waiting for a token to reach certain price to enter this trade, to enter a trade, you can just go and select it from here and give the price that you want to enter with, for example above or below that price. Then set up an alert. Whenever the token reaches that price, you can get a message from the MarketInOut on your SMS, on your phone, or on your Telegram Messenger or your email. Okay, so that's how you can use trade alert. For the crypto screener, it's the same as stock screener. It's just in this time we have crypto instead of stocks. Okay, for the crypto backtest, the same as strategy backtests, just in this we have crypto. Okay, you just separate, because here we have stocks and assets, and here we have crypto. Okay, that's it, guys. I think for this trade tools, we have a lot of sections in here, like active trading. If you click on it, you can just select this. We have moving average indicators, we have AMA indicators, WMA indicators, a lot of indicators in here. You can just, if you select for example this moving average 7, you will get all the tokens that going above this moving average. I will go show you again. You see price crossed above moving average 7. If you click on it, you will get all the tokens that crosses above moving average 7. Okay, instead of just looking by yourself and calculating by yourself, you can just by one click you will find all of these tokens. Then you can add them to your watch list. After that, you can work with them in Stock Screener or your strategy backtest. That's for the moving average. You can also choose for the volatility. It's the same. It's the same basics. It's the same like the moving average. You can just select this options like here. ATR 14 trending up last 3 days. You will get all the tokens that matches the criteria that you just selected in here, and you have a lot of advanced volatility indicators in here. Of course, this is not for the beginners. This is for the professionals in the trading. Also, we have the cryptocurrency part in here. You will get the tokens that got new highs, the tokens that are trending, the most active tokens, a lot of information that you will get from this section, or you can get the crypto list tokens that we have in this website. Of course, they have a lot of tokens, so you can choose between them and you can add them to your watch list if you want. There is a lot of options in here. There's a lot of tools in here. I showed you the most important things that you need to know as a beginner, also as a professional. So it's up to you if you want to go in depth with all of this, and if you have more questions, or if you need to know more about this website and how you can work with it, you can just go and see these videos. They are really helpful. They are talking about stock screeners, formula stock screeners, the strategy backtests. You can go and see more informations about the strategies in here, or you can go to check all of these tools that we have in this website by yourself. Of course, I cannot do it. Already the video is it's more than 20 minutes, so I cannot go further. That's it, guys, for this website. I hope my explanations helps you, and of course, if you want me to do another video about it and go in depth on the strategies that we can use in this website, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.